Hello, Emmeric's back. Today we're going to be taking a look at removing the wheel cap or wheel hub emblem and replacing it with some new ones. Well, I've just got this. Here's the actual originals that come with the car. So I'll take a closer look. What you'll notice is that I've had these wheels black powder coated. They're filthy, but they look brilliant when they're cleaned up, and I wanted to replace them with some sort of more black silver instead of this blue, so it doesn't really match anymore. And I've got these. They're so cheap. You can get them from like eBay. And let's take a look. Look at these bad boys. Aren't they nice? Lovely. They've actually got a protective coating on them, so I can peel that off once fitted, and yeah, this should be an easy job. But I've just gone as usual. You know, you get somebody saying, no, on YouTube, you know, just put a screwdriver in there and they pry out, but they don't, because they're actually originally they're such a tight fit that there's nowhere to put anything in like a screwdriver. So I'm going to just go for the I've tried having a little go and it doesn't work, so I'm going for brute force and ignorance, and that is this. Don't try this at home because it might all go pear-shaped. Right, let's just make sure you can see. Right, the idea is a hammer and literally to smash the center to break out, so I can pull it out that way. Let's give it a go. Right, here we go. You ready? You ready for this, people? You can see how tight that is in originally, because even me bending it now, it's still not popping out. So it's far more difficult than what people make out, especially if it's the original wheel hubs. Right, let's get a pair of pliers in there. Oh, still not coming out. So we're going to really have to bust this thing in. Ow! Look at that. And some people tend to make it seem very, very easy because they've removed it God knows how many times. It's annoying. I mean, a lot of my videos are actually about removing things for the first time and never done it before. But look, oh, now that really did take some doing, didn't it? But it does work. Clean that up. Right, let's replace the with the new ones. Brilliant. Like I say, I got all four for £8. Wow. Right, I think what I'll do, I'll take this off because it might be a bit difficult to get it off while I do it. But yeah, apparently you see these little holes. Some people tend to line the Mercedes up, the M with that and the S with that. I don't know why. I don't think it makes a lot of difference, to be honest, but we'll do it that way, won't we? That looks about right. And how easy is this going to be? Is it going to pop in nicely? Wow, that went in easy enough. I've seen people struggling to put these in. Oh, they do. Ah, okay, they do snap in a bit more. You've got to really quite push them quite tight to get them to snap in. I think that's it. Yeah. Wow, that was easy enough, wasn't it? What do you think?